Let us understand the step-by-step process of how to create and assign tasks using the Compose task form. Navigate to the Compose task form under the Liaison Management module. Select the project from the drop-down. The company name auto-populates based on your selection. Select the subproject from the relevant wing block. Data will be fetched from the subproject master form. To create a task, enter the task name and set target completion date. Select reminder date and weekly reminder days as applicable. Select the responsible group or department from the drop-down. Select the responsible person's name. You can also add an external person's name if required. Select the weightage from the drop-down. To link dependent task, select project and task as yes. To request a deadline extension, select yes. Enter follow-up date and additional remarks if any. To loop mail IDs, add stakeholders' email IDs. The receive task updates automatically based on your selection. Save the data so it will be stored in draft stage. Verify the information and get it approved by the concerned authorities. The Compose task workflow will be as follows. Project task reminder assignment save track. The process of creating and assigning tasks using Compose task form is now complete.